This is the Blue Demon Staysharp Pro tungsten grinder. It's a stationary unit with a large, long-lasting diamond wheel on it, and it has the ability to grind tungsten angles up to 60 degrees using this precision guide block, which holds the tungsten up in a collet. Let's look at a couple unique features on the Staysharp Pro. The grinding happens inside an enclosure, and this is sealed to keep the dust from getting into the air. There's a rubber seal on the top and also a port on the bottom to be able to empty the dust out. The guide block can slide from side to side, so you can use the full face of the grinding wheel. Now, in order to use the tungsten grinder, first you need to set your angle, and it's infinitely adjustable from 0 to 60 degrees, and then remove the handle right here where the tungsten will be installed into the collet. It's important to have the right length extending out of the collet, and so you can use this setter that's built right into the grinder, and this acts as a wrench also to be able to tighten the collet and have the exact extension that you need. Next, insert the tungsten into the grinder and it'll rest on the grinding wheel. There's a large knurled nut that acts as a support for the handle. Turn that counterclockwise until it lifts the tungsten electrode off of the grinding wheel and it can rotate freely. Once it can rotate freely, turn on the motor and you can grind it by rotating the handle to get an even grind around the tungsten electrode, and gradually drop the electrode height by turning the large knurled nut clockwise. You can monitor this through the window, and once you see that you have a complete point, then the grinding process is complete and you can remove it from the electrode grinder and install it into your TIG torch to be able to weld. Using a tungsten grinder like the Staysharp Pro will help you make sure that you always have a consistent angle on your electrode, and this will give you a consistent arc every single time.